Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. I'm April, and today I'm going to share how to make homemade oven fries. So move over frozen French fries. We are going to be making some homemade French fries that are baked using yellow potatoes. First, you'll want to prep your potatoes by washing them and cutting them into pieces that resemble a fry. And I left the skins on. That I think makes it very delicious. So once you've cut about, I would say 2 pounds of potatoes, you'll want to drizzle on some olive oil and then toss it around, make sure each French fry is coated. And then just like a puzzle piece, you want to arrange it on the sheet pan so they all fit. And you might think this is a little tedious. It takes a little bit of time, but I feel that they cook evenly that way. So go ahead and squeeze them in, try to fit each one. And then grab some salt, and you'll be adding salt over the top. Sprinkle it on depending on how much salt you like. We like salt, so I just make sure each fry has a little bit. After you're done adding the salt, you'll want to sprinkle on some pepper. Salt and pepper make these fries really delicious. And that is it. Pretty simple. You'll want to cook them at about 350 for about 30 minutes and then increase the heat. We found if you increase the heat at the end for a couple minutes, they get nice and crispy. They cook really nicely. Don't they look delicious? They are probably, to me, better than fried French fries. And stay tuned. I will be sharing how to make some homemade baked falafels. That's what we had with these fries last week, and they are really good. Here's a little preview. These falafels are baked in the oven using a pre-made mix, and you just add all of your toppings to this pita, and it's really delicious. So stay tuned for that, and thank you again for coming back to my channel, and until next time, happy cooking.